This powerful money meditation is going to take you into a journey into the depths of your body, your being, beyond just mind. Aligning, allowing, and opening your heart, your arms to allow, receive, welcome in abundance of money, which is your true natural state. You're an extension of nature. Nature is wildly, vastly abundant. This meditation bring you back to your natural state, restoring your essence of abundance. So finding a comfortable position, seated or lying down, allowing the eyes to soften and close if they're not yet already. You soften and close, allowing full inhales through the nose and exhales out through the nose or mouth to soften, relax your body, allowing your breath to relax and soften the mind. Your breath softening and relaxing you into this present now moment. In this relaxed, receptive state. Continue taking those deep breaths to take you deeper into your body, into your being. Allowing your awareness to connect to your heart center. Whether you drop your internal gaze to this space, feeling and connecting to your gorgeous heart, or placing both hands on your heart space to further center, ground, connect to your heart. Breathing into your heart and just notice and tune in to your heart space. When the word money is said, the word abundance is said, wealth is your heart space expand, brighten, flutter in excitement? Or is there a different sensation, a constricting sensation? If this space feels expansive, expanding and growing, that sensation and feeling in the body, if it's feeling constricted, allowing this truth to seep in further into your heart. It's a heart's knowingness, a heart's remembrance. You were born worthy of wealth, born worthy of abundance, born worthy of this energy, worthy of abundance, worthy of more than enough, because you were born worthy, born enough. You were gifted this heart to be on this earth, in this now, because you belong here. You weren't put here just to survive and get by. You were put here to experience the gifts of the human journey. And one of those gifts is experiencing your essence of worthiness, of abundance, worthy of abundance. And in this time on earth, money is the energy exchange. Allowing your heart to remember, reclaim, worthy of abundance, worthy of money. And let a smile creep up on your face, feeling your heart smiling, smiling all your cells, smiling in abundance, smiling in excitement, smiling in worthiness. Feel this expansive energy about money, around money, to expand from your heart down into all your lower energy chakras and centers, feeling safe, secure, held and supported at your root. You're meant to be here. You're meant to experience the gifts of the human journey, what money allows for you to experience. It's an allowing energy, allowing you to live and lead where your heart guides and moves you, allowing you to be generous, allowing you to live the life you desire, thrive in abundance. Money allowing you to follow your intuition, to go where you desire to go, to be, to show up, feeling safe. You are held, you are supported in more than enough. Expanding, moving through your sacral chakra, expanding your creativity, welcoming the flow of abundance and money and wealth through creative channels and sources for the highest and greatest good of all. Allowing money to come to you in unexpected ways. Expanding into your solar plexus. You get to be paid for being you. Paid by the universe, by the divine. Surrendering to the way money wants to flow freely, abundantly to you. Free to show up authentically as you really are. Your heart so open to the flow of abundance, of money flowing in easefully, naturally. Allowing this expanded energy around money, for money, the vibration of money and abundance in your body to travel up your throat, speaking and claiming your desires, calling in money, money-making opportunities, allowing, attracting, generating money in powerfully, consistently, traveling up to your third eye, expanding into this area, opening your mind's eye, third eye, this sight to see where to go and grow in more abundance in your unique path and way. And all the way up to your crown, this expanded energy opening up to the divine, to the channel, to the divine, leading you, your higher self. As above, so below. Guided, supported on this earth, your human vessel. You are the channel. You are the allowing, attracting, generating magnet to money, to wealth, to abundance, feeling your heart open, full of reclaimed, deeply remembered worthiness. Welcoming, allowing abundance, this energy of money to flow in. You are an extension of nature. Nature is abundant, like a beautiful roaring water flow. This waterfall flowing consistently, constantly, abundantly, in ease, in beauty. Allowing money to flow in. You are worthy to receive in ease, in your unique, aligned way, just by being authentically you. Feeling this in your body, this expansion to money, to allowing it, to speaking about it, to hearing it. Not only allowing it in, but what money allows you to do, to give, to gift, to shop, to travel, to adventure, to loan, to spend, to eat. You're worthy to charge for your services, worthy to ask for a raise, worthy to be paid well, worthy to receive passively, worthy for unexpected money, worthy for an inheritance, worthy to receive money in all ways, all ways. Feeling at peace, just as nature is at peace to the flow of abundance. Nature is always expanding, and you allow yourself to expand. Expand. Welcome. Allow. Be in worthiness. You're welcome to stay in this expansive, abundant state for your body to reprogram, rewire its connection to money. Repeat as often as resonant to create a new state in the mind and the body. Science shows about 21 days of repetition, gifting yourself the self-love, the self-care, this connection to your abundance. Made with so much love, joy, excitement, worthiness for money, the desire and the intention for you to receive true abundance with love.